Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Samsung Group headquarters center. The Samsung Group is a South Korean multinational conglomerate headquartered in the Samsung town, Seoul. It comprises the numerous affiliated businesses, most of them united under the Samsung brand, and it is the largest South Korean chaebol. It's called to be a businesses conglomerate, your businesses, and Samsung was founded by the Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as the trading company. Over that, the next three of your decades. The group of your diversified into areas including the food, processing, your textile, insurance, security, and retail. The Samsung entered the electronic industry in the late 1960s and the constructions and your shipbuilding industries in the mid 1970s. These areas would drive its subsequent growth, and the followingly that in 1987 the Samsung was separated into four businesses groups. It's called to be a Samsung Group, your Singhese Group, CJ Group, and the Hansol Group. In the 1990, the Samsung has increasingly globalized it actively and electronic item. In particular, its mobile phones and the semiconductor have some of the most important sources of the income. In the 2017, the Samsung has sixth largest global brand value businesses. Notable of your Samsung industry affiliated including the Samsung electronic items. So that the company has also to have Samsung Heavy Industries, and it has the Samsung Engineering and the Samsung C&T businesses, and also have to be providing the another of your notable subsidiaries including the Samsung Life Insurance and Samsung of Everland, and more of the other sections. So Samsung has a powerful influences on the South Korea economic development, and the politics, media, and the culture has been a major driving forces behind the miracle on the has Han River. It affiliated companies who just produced the around of the fifth of the South Korean total of your export is. The Samsung revenue was equal to 17% of the South Korean $1,082 billion GDP is at only one. So this company is according to the Samsung founder, the meaning of the Korean Hansa, who just word that the Samsung is the 3-star. So the word of the three you represent that the sum of the big numerous and the powerful systems. So this company has also to be a bean conglomerations, and now this company has opened our development center in the Poland, and also to be is provided that the technologies before that the top box moving its digital TV and the smartphones, and this smartphone has to be platform was developed with the partners and officially launched with the original Samsung your Solistic. So line of the devices and the other of your derivatives in 2008, which was the later of your development into Samsung Galaxy line for the devices including that your Notes, Edge, and other of the products. So that the company in the 2000 of the 12, the Samsung Electronic become the world largest mobile phone maker by the unit sale, overtaking of the Nokia, which has been the uh, um, your market leader since in 1998. And now this company was sales of the 2016 it's Galaxy Note 7, and Samsung of your suspended sales of the phone and the announced and informed recall, and that the company has in 2018 the Samsung launched the world largest mobile manufacturing facilities in Noida. This is based in India, and with that the guest of honor, and including that the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So hope you guys like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.